What if I told you the most wanted luxury items right now aren't just bags and shoes? They're status symbols you don't even realize are trending until they're sold out everywhere. This is deeper than just logos or trends. This is about owning pieces that tell people you understand the room you're in. And today, I'm going to break down the exact luxury pieces everyone's chasing right now, why they're trending, and why some of them have earned a permanent spot in my personal collection. You're watching GTWJ, where fashion thinks deeper. And make sure you're following us on Instagram at GTWJMag for daily insider updates you won't find anywhere else. Let's get into it. Starting with Loewe's buzzed puzzle fold tote. This bag is everywhere right now, and for a good reason. It folds flat, it's sculptural, and Loewe's smart because they've been dominating this luxury architecture meets practicality space. It's that perfect blend of fashion person flex and actual functionality. Every luxury fashion editor has one or wants one right now. Then, Louis Vuitton's Sneakerina. If you've been on social, you've seen them. These are technically sneakers, but styled like a hyper-minimal, ultra-luxe ballet flat. Vuitton clocked the rise of quiet luxury footwear and the Mary Jane wave, and they slid right into that conversation with these, and they're sold out in almost every size. Now, I have to talk about the Chanel 25 bag because I own this one, and it's genuinely one of my favorite luxury pieces of the year. I have mine in medium, and it's the perfect size. Fits everything, looks incredible, styled casual or dressy, and the structure on this one is so good. If you're someone who feels like Chanel bags can sometimes feel either too classic or too trend-chasing, the 25 is that ideal modern middle ground. I love this one. Moving on. Loro Piana Charms Walks. Listen, I have several pairs. These are by far the most wearable, versatile luxury shoe in my wardrobe. The design is minimal perfection, the quality's unmatched, and they just go with everything. That's why you keep seeing them on every Monaco summer post and understated celebrity airport outfit. Then there's the Shoulder Birkin. This one took people by surprise, but it makes so much sense. People have wanted a more casual, wearable Birkin for years, and Hermes made it happen. It's sportier, fits under your arm, and still gives you that quiet status symbol energy. Now onto something a bit more niche, but making noise. Saint Laurent's foldable loafers. These are low-key genius. You can literally flatten them to travel. They're ultra soft, and they have that effortless Saint Laurent edge. Loewe's draped jacket and draped trouser, another one of those viral, quiet luxury moments. The tailoring is clean but relaxed, and this set looks like you're wearing money without screaming it. If you're someone who loves investment wardrobe staples that still turn heads, this is it. Also worth noting the rose mesh bootie. Very polarizing, but very in demand. It's that perfect ugly chic moment fashion people love. Think Hailey Bieber and Rosie Huntington-Whiteley airport fits. It sells out every drop. Next, Prada's scarf sunglasses. Dramatic, oversized, and already impossible to find in certain colors. These blew up on TikTok and instantly turned into this summer's vacation essential. Then, Chanel's cat eye sunglasses. Not new, but this year they came back harder than ever. Every fashion editor and stylist I know is recommending these because they give vintage glamour without being too costumey. And finally, Spinelli Kilcolin rings. These stacked, interconnected rings have become the new insider status symbol in jewelry. Luxury buyers are moving away from big, flashy stones and toward pieces you can wear daily. And these hit that exact note. They feel cool, collectible, and ultra high-end. What's so interesting about this list is it reflects where luxury is heading. It's less about loud branding, more about quality, exclusivity, and pieces that feel personal. People want to invest in items they'll actually use, whether it's a $1,200 pair of Loro Piana loafers you wear on the plane and to dinner, or a Chanel 25 you carry for years. And if you're here for this kind of deeper look into what's happening in luxury fashion, make sure you're following us over on Instagram at GTWJMag. I share daily updates on what's trending, what's selling out, and what's worth your money. Now drop a comment and tell me which luxury piece you've been eyeing, or which of these you already have in your collection. I want to know. Before you go, let's talk about why these items specifically are taking over right now. Because it's not random. Psychologically, luxury shoppers are shifting. There's a growing fatigue with hyper-visible, logo-heavy pieces that scream for attention. People want things that whisper status, not shout it. That's why brands like Loro, Piana, the Row, and Spinelli Kilcolin are thriving. It's about signaling to the right people. If you know, you know. And on the flip side, you've got these select, bold statement moments, like the Prada scarf sunnies or LV Sneakerinas that go viral because they're just edgy enough to break through on TikTok and Reels without losing their luxury edge. It's a fine line, and these brands know exactly what they're doing. What's also interesting is the functionality factor. Buyers want pieces they can actually use. The Shoulder Birkin makes sense because it fits modern, busy lifestyles. The foldable loafers are discreet luxury travel essentials, and the Chanel 25 is practical without compromising the elegance Chanel collectors crave. That's the direction luxury is moving in: smart, usable, and quietly powerful pieces that still hold investment value. The resale market is reflecting this too. Spinelli Kilcolin rings, Loro Piana shoes, and Loewe puzzle totes are holding their value better than many loud logo bags from 2 years ago. So if you're building your collection, pay attention to these shifts. Think about what pieces work for your life, not just what looks good on the gram. That's the real flex. And remember, on this channel, we don't just talk about what's trending, we explain why. If you're loving these deeper dives, tap into @GTWJMag on Instagram. I'm posting daily drops, market shifts, and insider tips on what to buy, what to skip, and what's about to blow up. You'll want to be there first. I'll see you in the next one.